I got so much love. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so grateful for my ex.
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 16 and we are on our way to Slime Mania. Welcome to Slime Mania. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And my booth is right there. We're setting up our booth now here at Slime Mania. It's looking good so far. Okay, Slime Mania is the hostess with the mostest. They gave everybody snacks and like drinks and stuff. That's awesome. All right, we're pretty much set up. We just have a couple of little things to do. We even have balloons. It looks super cute. It's my little stand here. My voice is like going out, I'm sorry. So we have our 32 ounces on sale for $35. That's these three right here. We only have the big three in 32 ounces. And we have the big three over here. We have our snow globes for $16. We have some pop sockets, wristbands, and then the other slimes that we have here as well. This, all the 8-ounce slimes are going to be $12, so it's a snatch today. Y'all, Slime Mania is opening the doors for their VIPs. Hey Nicole, what's up, girl? I can't.
I'm a thirsty YouTuber.
Literally me to everybody who's vlogging. I run to the camera. I can't. They're literally minutes away from opening the doors to the VIPs, or the VIS, very important Slimers. So I'm really excited. Let's get the show on the road. DJ is coming through already with the Christmas box, okay? It is so lit! Hey Peter! What's up, boo? Hey y'all! Hey! Wanna say hey? Hi! I'm vlogging for Vlogmas. Hey!
Make sure to follow Play-Doh Slime.
I got you.
Slime sensation.
I just got a gift, y'all. What's your Instagram account?
Katie._.b.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh my god, you're gonna make me.
Okay, Karina is actually a queen though. Look at her go. Do her thing. Okay, Elizabeth. You better go, girl. So VIP time is over and it's now time to let the general admission in. I am so excited. I already see people waiting outside. It's gonna be lit. In my life, when I'm no, so I was like, yeah. So no, I lived here in California, in Burbank, California actually, and I was like on my own trying to, you know, do my thing, and I just one day like stumbled across one of her videos, and like I was just, you know, she made me feel like less lonely. So it's so crazy now that we're like literally friends. But it's insane. So yeah, she totally got me into it. Absolutely.
We love a queen, an icon.
Full circle, right?
Oh.
Like, who would have thought?
So we're gonna start the toy drive raffle. How many winners are there gonna be? Just one? And what are they gonna win? And one wheel or 3 wheels? You guys, this is a make it or break it raffle. You guys are gonna win not only a mixer, you guys are gonna win Daiso clay, some foam beads, and also 3 gallons of glue. Can we give a round of applause to Slime Mania 2018? Okay.
I use that mixer right there. Like I have 3 of those in my like slime room, and that's how I make my slime.
Actually, we take it to the St. Jude's Hospital so they can get so much for bringing toys. This is one of the world's tallest kids. Can we give a round of applause for you guys? You guys are amazing. You guys rock.
Oh my god! Okay.
Are y'all shaking?
Okay, you guys ready? Okay, so the number is 9434546.
Congratulations! That's awesome!
Wow, are you excited? What's your name? Oh my gosh, are you excited?
Yes. Tell everybody your Instagram.
What's your Instagram?
Lost lines.
Oh my god, yay!
Yeah. Alright, everybody go wild for the vlog. Let's pop in. So the snow globes are completely sold out. We only have one left of Merry and Bright. And we have a couple left of these and very limited amount of our best sellers.
How pretty is this?
Unicorn Slime Shop is selling our 8-ounce slimes for $10 each, or you can get two of the seasonal slimes for $15, so come through. Hey y'all, so a little bit of change in scenery. We're actually at the Outback Steakhouse now, having dinner. I don't know if you could tell, well obviously you could tell, but my voice is gone. I'm getting sick as we speak. So I just want to eat some food and get home and go to sleep. I want all the steaks. Hey y'all, so I know I look like a complete tragedy right now, but I'm laying down and ready to go to sleep. I just wanted to really quickly before I end the vlog say thank you all so much to everybody who came out to Slime Mania. I had a blast, even though I was getting sick and stuff like that. Honestly, it was all worth it. So thank you so much for anybody who came, who bought slime. We did such a great job, so thank you so much. Thank you to Karina and her brother Luis, Big Boy Slime Shop, Marisol, all of y'all. Thank you so much for inviting me. I love you very freaking much. So that's basically what I wanted to say. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'm pretty sure it's up late and I'm sorry, but at least I'm vlogging every single day still. I just can't even think about staying up right now to edit. I'm so sorry, but thank you so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all tomorrow. We are on our way back home. Love you. Bye.